Do you want to know how you can review your sign-in activity on your Temu account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can review your sign-in activity on your Temu account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the search bar to search for Temu, or go to your browser and search for temu.com. After it opens up, make sure you are logged in. Hover around Orders and Account, which is over here on the right hand side, and click on Account Security. After you click on Account Security, this page over here will load up. Scroll a bit down and you can see Sign In Activity over here. If you want to review sign-in activity for this account, go ahead and click on this link over here. After you click on that link, you can see that your account activity or your sign-in activity is shown over here. You can see that you are currently signing in 2 devices. If you want to sign out this device over here, go ahead and click Sign Out and you can see that this page will load up. And if you are sure to sign out this device from your account, go ahead and click Sign Out and you can notice that the device has been signed out. So this is how you check or review your sign-in activity on your Temu account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.